Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. This is my free Pascal Lazarus programming tutorials. Today is tutorial number 3 and we're going to be looking at some global variables and having the user interact with them. So let's head over to our previously made program, which is for me the maths program which we did last episode, and let's head over to File, New and then Program. Click OK and we're given a new program. Let's head over to Save now and put it into our folder. So 3, and I'm going to call this one Variables. Let's head into the folder and call the project Variables. Okie doke. So now we have the program saved, we can continue. Now we want to go just before begin at the moment here, so we're not doing any text on the screen programming for the time being. However, type VAR for variables into the top there, and let's put in some 2 numbers. So let's have number 1, and let's have this as an integer. Let's have number 2, and let's also have this as an integer. Integers are whole numbers and do not have any decimal places in. So now we have our 2 numbers waiting to be input to. Let's tell the user what they can do on this program. So, right line, this program is going to add together 2 numbers. And I've spelt going incorrectly. Let's have another right line. What 2 numbers would you like to add together? Let's have number 1. And we're going to read line number 1. This is going to tell the computer that whatever the user types on the command will be stored into the variable number 1, ready for use later. Let's have number 2 as well, and do the same thing with the read line. Number 2. From here we can do multiple calculations with number 1 and number 2. So let's create a couple of spaces so that it doesn't look all crammed together. And let's calculate these 2 by adding them together. So the 2 numbers added together equal, and here we can do number 1 add number 2. This is exactly the same as what we did on the previous episode with the mathematics. However, this time we're not using numbers that are already in the program, but numbers which the user has told the computer to add. So, don't forget your read line at the bottom there, otherwise the computer will just close instantly after clicking enter on the second read line. However, let's go give this a run. So, this program is going to add together 2 numbers. What 2 numbers would you like to add together? Number 1, pick any number you like. I'm going to pick number 25 and click enter. And number 2, let's have number 2 as 78 and click enter. And there we have it at the bottom. The 2 numbers added together equal 103. Lovely jubbly. That program works brilliantly. Click enter to close it. Okay, well, I think that sums it up for today. We have done a lot of variable work, a lot of mathematics over the last 2 episodes. However, I hope it's not too grueling for you, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.